I'm going to show you how to make a headband out of a t-shirt, and you just fold it in half. I bought this shirt from Walmart for $5. It's made out of spandex and polyester. Cut the bottom edge across to get started. Fold it in half, and then you're going to cut right in the center of your shirt. This was a size medium. I think a medium or a large would work for a headband. Then you're going to take the material and separate it, and you're going to create a figure 8. So create a figure 8, fold it over, pinch the sides together. So fold it over, pinch the sides together, and then take the two ends together, and you have your turban style headband. Now I'm going to show you how to place it on a mannequin's head. Self-explanatory. Okay, so it looks like this when it's finished. You just place it right over the head. And on my head it was somewhat snug but comfortable, and with the stretch of the spandex it really looks nice. The shirt only cost $5, so it's a DIY $5 headband. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pretty easy, great way to make a headband. Okay, so I hope you found this useful and helpful. This would be great for any type of shirt that is probably a medium or a large and has some stretch to it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.